Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create your own hashtag on Instagram. It's super simple, so if this video helps you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's start. First, what you have to do is make sure no one else has made your tag already. So just let's type in something like test video Dr. Nikki. Surely there won't be a hashtag like this, so let's do this now. Let's make a post. Let's choose a photo, the first one. Now let's add a tag. So what we have to do now is in the caption write this with a hashtag at the beginning. And now if the hashtag already existed, it would show you it right here when you type it. For example, if you made test video, there will be many hashtags that will appear, but if we make it like this, you'll see that no hashtag with this name exists. So just pause the photo, and that's how we do it. If this video helped you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this. See you in the next one.